So YouTube, I'm making a video on this. It's a Bryant. I came up here and it was flat. It was just no refrigerant at all. So I put it takes a 410A. I put a little bit of refrigerant in it, and let me show off my new toy. I just got this not too long ago, maybe a couple weeks ago. This is my first time using it, and works awesome. It's a tek-mate. If it come, I'll wait till it stops beeping. And I located the leak right there. Right there. Okay, that stuff over there, that's just the soap bubbles I sprayed on. Sorry, it's a little bit shaky, but there you go. This thing, I took this thing off of there. It shows how it's been rubbing. Not only that one, but that one at the top. A few of them. It's just a matter of time until they start leaking. I'm gonna braise those, also braise them a little bit. That way, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and spray it. This is just palm olive. I ran on my big blue. So, anyways, go ahead and braise this. I'm gonna let the manager know what's going on. I'll be back.